As I was walking around my garden this morning, I noticed that there were some peonies growing in underneath this hydrangea. To check if there are any peonies growing, you just have to move some of the old leaves, and if you see some red, we're good to go. All those branches are peony stems. This is a peony seed pod. Now that we saw that red growth, you just have to go down to the very bottom of the stem and cut. The sooner you get to this, the safer for the new leaf buds. You see several already there. To check around before you cut it to make sure you're not going to slice anything you don't want to slice, like that right there. Ooh, look at all that. These are backed up against this drain. Just gonna be super careful. Last one. Now that all the old leaves have been cleared away, just be careful not to step on these. If they're in a flower bed, you should be fine. I think I might have nipped that one a little bit. And these are all little leaves that are growing in. And the area already looks much better. And since we're doing peonies, I'll do the coral charm as well. This right here is the coral charm, and in the back you can see new growth already. It's a little tight. I'm just going to take stem by stem down, making sure I don't cut any of the new red leaves. Ends look like. Okay, that was easy. Can you see the red leaves? Just wait a little bit to see if there's any more. I think we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We should have about 4 stems growing in. Hopefully nobody steps on them. They're actually pretty robust. Oh, there's a 5th one right there. But still, if you step on it, it will smash it for sure. I bet there's more in here. Just still haven't popped up yet. Maybe I'll put some warning sticks around it. Kind of in this really narrow space between the house and the boat.